In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect PlayStation 5 controller to HP laptop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which HP laptop model you are using, you can easily connect a DualSense or even a DualShock controller. This process can be done in two main ways. So the most convenient one is going to be through Bluetooth. However, because Bluetooth can introduce some latency, I'm going to talk about the other option after, if you want to have the best hassle-free experience possible. So for Bluetooth, which most people find convenient, you can enable it on your controller by pressing and holding the PlayStation button and the share button simultaneously. So both of these buttons that I highlighted. Hold them down for a couple of seconds, and by doing this, Bluetooth pairing mode will be enabled. You will see the light bar blinking, indicating that the controller is looking for nearby devices to pair with, which includes your HP laptop. So on your HP laptop, go over to the settings, access Bluetooth and devices, make sure that it is enabled, and choose the option to add a new device. If you properly set up pairing mode on the controller, it is going to appear on the list and you can choose it here. It's simple to do and it will remain connected as long as it has sufficient battery. Now, like I said before, because Bluetooth can introduce a little bit of latency and some users might find the option confusing or a lot of hassle, then what you can do is use a reliable USB-C cable. So you plug one end of the cable into the DualShock controller or DualSense controller, usually the USB-C end, and the other one goes into your HP laptop, usually through the USB-A port. If you have a USB-C to USB-C cable, then that should also be completely fine to use. So just plug it in, and once it is connected, the controller will start right away. It doesn't need battery because usually there will be enough power being drawn from the laptop to charge it simultaneously. And with that done, the controller should also work. So choose between wireless or wired. Finally, before I end this video, I wanted to highlight that when I looked at the channel metrics the other day, I noticed that 83% of you are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel bring you the best solutions to your problems, just like with this video, so consider subscribing. I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.